This is the WJTS News. In the news tonight, late-night traffic stop results in arrest. No new COVID-19 cases in Dubois County and a new COVID testing site in Dubois County. Also, Kirk Uxell will be in with sports. All this and more coming up on WJTS TV News. Good evening, I'm Jenna Schaffer with the news. A late-night traffic stop put a Jasper woman behind bars. 39-year-old Stacy Hewitt was pulled over on Newton Street late Thursday night for driving without headlights or taillights. Hewitt was highly intoxicated and was transported to Memorial Hospital for a blood test. Her blood alcohol content tested to be .238. Which is 3 times the legal limit. Hewitt was booked into the Dubois County Security Center and charged with operating while intoxicated endangerment and operating while intoxicated. She was also cited for improper headlights. The Dubois County Health Department is reporting no additional COVID-19 cases today. As of Friday afternoon, the county has 255 positive cases and 6 deaths. There has been a change regarding a previously reported case due to duplication on reporting. Out of these 255 positive cases, we are told that 225 people have recovered. This means that they are out of isolation and are reporting as feeling well. And as always, remember to practice social distancing, wear a cloth face mask whenever out in public, and wash your hands frequently with soap and water. OptumServe Health Services is opening a new testing site in Dubois County. This new location is at Ruxer's Golf Course building located on 400 South Clay Street in Jasper. Testing starts on Monday, June 29th. The site will be open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. between Monday, June 29th and Thursday, July 2nd. Then the following weeks, the site will be open Tuesday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Register by appointment only at lhi.care/COVID testing or by phone at 888-634-1116. Appointments can be made starting today. Testing is for anyone who lives or works in the state of Indiana. Anyone can now be tested, even those who are not showing symptoms, having symptoms, or those who just want to be tested. There is no charge for testing. However, if you do have private health care insurance, you are asked to bring that to the testing site. People can expect to get the results within 48 hours. Optum will send a text or email to the patient if the test is negative. A phone call will be given if there is a positive test result. Dubois County Health Department will not be involved with the direct operations of OptumServe's clinics. Dubois County Health Department will receive results of the positive cases of Dubois County residents and will continue to work with the ISDH and local health officials to ensure that contacts of the patients are identified and monitored. The Perry County Health Department has confirmed 2 additional COVID-19 related deaths at a long-term care facility. This is the 6th COVID-19 related death in Perry County. Health officials also say that there are 2 new cases of COVID-19 at the Branchville Correctional Facility and 2 additional Perry County residents, with 1 being employed at Oakwood Healthcare. This brings the county's total to 119 cases and 6 deaths. Out of these 119, 38 remain on strict isolation, 0 are hospitalized, there are 6 deaths, and 75 are no longer ill and have met all CDC guidelines to be released from isolation. And remember, practice social distancing, wear a cloth face mask, and wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Indiana's COVID-19 numbers have been updated. Now, as of Friday afternoon, the Indiana State Department of Health is reporting 2,403 deaths, 44,140 positive cases, and 453,890 individuals have been tested for the virus. Here are the numbers for our viewing area. Dubois with 255 cases and 6 deaths. Pike with 6 cases. Spencer with 28 cases and 1 death. Perry has 119 cases and 6 deaths. Martin with 22 cases. Davies has 132 cases and 16 deaths. Orange with 133 cases and 23 deaths. Knox has 53 cases. Crawford with 27. Posey with 28. Lawrence with 209 cases and 24 deaths. Gibson has 29 cases and 2 deaths. Warwick has 183 cases and 29 deaths. And Vanderburg has 376 cases and 6 deaths. To see a map of cases by county, head to in.gov/ISDH. After being closed for weeks because of the ongoing pandemic, the American Legion Post 147 of Jasper is finally reopening their doors. The post will be opening on July 4th from noon to 6 p.m. Then the post plans on resuming their normal business hours on Monday, July 6th from 2 to 10 p.m. The first bingo is scheduled for July 8th. Doors open at 5:30 and bingo starts at 6:30. The Dubois County Foundation is pleased to announce its 2020 scholarship recipients. In total, the program awarded over $170,000 in scholarships to students in the county. These awards are made possible by the generosity of local donors who have established endowments to invest in our local youth and promote higher education. For a full list of this year's scholarship recipients, visit our website at WJTS.tv. The Jasper Street Department is closing a street next week. Dorbit Street between 9th and 10th Streets will be closed beginning at 8 a.m. on Monday, June 29th for storm sewer replacement. It is scheduled to reopen by approximately 4 p.m. The project will proceed barring inclement weather or any other unforeseen events. The Indiana Department of Transportation has announced a road closure on State Road 558 for a pipe replacement project. Beginning on or around Monday, July 6th at 4 p.m., INDOT maintenance crews will close State Road 558 near the intersection of US 231 to replace a drainage culvert. This work will take place overnight and only one pipe will be excavated. Depending on weather conditions, the work is expected to take only one night, with the road open to traffic by 8 a.m. the next morning. INDOT urges drivers to slow down and stay alert near crews. Nearly a third more Indiana workers filed initial unemployment claims last week compared to the previous week. The U.S. Labor Department reported Thursday that the number of new claims totaled 31,885 during the week of June 20th, compared to an adjusted number of 24,017 the week before, the department reported. That's an increase of 7,868. And Indianapolis Business Journal reports that before the coronavirus pandemic, Indiana typically saw fewer than 3,000 initial unemployment claims per week. Thursday's report also showed that an additional 17,439 Indiana residents applied for jobless benefits nationally last week under the new Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program for self-employed and gig workers. Now we'll take a look at your weather forecast when we come back on 18 WJTS.